In this video, we will discuss enabling and disabling the auto light on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then select Settings. Scroll down to Equipment. Then select Chair. Select Auto Light. Use the up and down arrows to cycle through the options. Press Select to save the setting. Use the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.